Hi guys, welcome back to your girl Dory. Guys, you missed me, right? Alright, so I'm back. Midday, guys. So today, as you can see, I have a package, guys. I got a delivery and it's from Amazon. I love to shop on Amazon and I love to receive packages from Amazon, guys. Alright, so what we have inside you're gonna see in a minute, guys. I'm so excited. Yes, guys. So one of my loyal subscribers saw I was doing a juice video and I was complaining. Yes, I was complaining about one of my juicer that I had. So she, and she don't want her name to be mentioned, said she will get me another one. I was complaining about my juicer, how when I use it I have to pull it down and there's so many components or parts that I have to wash. So she got me another one, guys. So let's unbox this together. All right, so I have my knife. So let's take the tape off. And all right, so you hear me say it's a juicer. So she got me and guys, this subscriber is all the way from Canada. Yes, she watches my channel. She is in Canada, guys. All right, so what I got is a masticating juicer. Thank you so much. All right, and let's see. Here's a pic of it. It says it's slow grinding to maximize the retention of nutrients, separation of juice, and it makes it taste delicate and refreshing. It's easy to operate and it's low noise, so it's not loud, guys. Let me see if anything else same on the back. Okay. All right, so let's continue on. So this is in plastic as well. So I'm going to take the plastic off. Which I'm fighting with, but we're getting there. They have this wrapped real good. So let's set it up here. All right. Get in there, guys. All right, there we go. So plastic off, and we have more tape, guys. Get in there, get in there. Alright, so there we go. First thing we have is the manual. And so you can pull this out like so. Alright, I just had to put a little bit of muscle in there. Alright, so we got one part out. There it is. Alright, how do we open the top? Aha. So we have a little lever that you push to open the top. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out. there we go. And what we have inside here, I have no ideas yet, so I know that is a brush to clean it. We'll figure out what this is in a minute. Alright, and this is the product operation manual. And it's showing you what not to do and what to do. On the back, it's just showing you fruits and veggies that you can use. Okay. All right, so now this part, we have, oops. All right, so these are the juice catcher basket, and I'm guessing one for the waste as well. Let's see. Not under. Then we have the bottom section, guys. And at the front, it shows you the on and off. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and insert this section. Again, the silver bolt that we have right here to the knob. See the silver knob right here. And we're going to make sure that these parts set into the crevices as shown, okay? So drop it in there and then just push it down. It's secure. And our next section is this part. So we're going to put in, and we're going to line it up. See? I'll show you up close. We're going to line up the handle. So we're going to spin it in there. It's locked, okay? And that is that. Okay, now the other part that has to go in is this part. So stay tuned, guys, as I figure out where this goes. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So reading the manual and seeing the parts, this is just the pusher stick. So it helps to push down your fruits or veggies into there, okay? All right, so that's pretty much it. Into place, everything is into place. Again, we have the one for the waste basket, which will go like right here, and then you have the one for the juice that goes right there. Okay, and that's the setup. So thank you so much for joining me while I do this cold press juicer unboxing, and I will go ahead and plug it in. Again, it's the masticating juicer, and it's by LQZ. All right, guys, so stay tuned. I will go ahead and plug it in, make sure, well, I am going to test it out, so I'm going to get, I'll try an apple and maybe a piece of celery and something else. So stay tuned as we plug it in and try it, guys. We're going to test it out, okay? All right, guys, so I'm back. So I'm going to test out the juicer. So I have 2 pieces of celery sticks. I cut up one apple, and I have cucumber. I had a piece of cucumber in the fridge. I sliced it up. So here it is, guys. Let's go ahead and test the juicer, okay? And I washed this before I'm loading, guys, so always wash before. I will go ahead and let me grab my knife. Cut this. This one is too long. So we're loading. Let's do two batch, okay? Two batches. So I put celery and I put the cucumber. I will put a few pieces of my apple. Alright, so apple in. Alright, guys. And where the juice is coming from is securely locked, so I don't have to set my containers yet. But on this side, which you're not seeing right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it's spitting it out into the trash there. So get this out of the way. Again, we have our on and on button, and that's rev. I guess off, I don't know. All right, so let's go ahead, push it on. You see the juice building up inside. And this side, you see where the trash or the waste comes out. So it's doing its thing. It's almost there, guys. So I think it's done. So I'm gonna stop it and then I'll show you when I'm letting the juice out, okay? So let's go ahead and stop. Okay. All right, and we're done. So we're going to push our on button. You know what, guys? I'm going to toss a piece of ginger in there to spruce it up. So let me get a piece of ginger. Alright, so washing the ginger. So second batch done. So here's our juice, And I will go ahead and pour in my glass here. Mix well. And we're gonna taste it, guys. Look at that. Now that's what we call pure juicy natural, right? Okay, so wow, nice. So we made some quick green juice, guys, and there we have it. So thank you so much for joining your girl Dory. While I did this unboxing, guys, we test out the juicer to make sure it's working, and we have our green juice. All right, guys, please remember to like, to share, and to comment. Share out my channel. Again, it's Dory Vlogs 29. Cheers. Catch you on another one. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, blessings, big up, manners, and respect to all my lovely viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back. Guys, remember to like, to share, and to comment. Dory Vlogs 29. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time I do online here. Peace.